when you live in Florida. All y'all that want to come down to Florida, we want to go to the beach. We want to go to the water park. We want Disney World. This is what the hell y'all gonna get. Come on down to Florida. Come find out. You're gonna be sitting in rain all damn day. This is what the hell y'all gonna get. Come on down to Florida. This is ridiculous. I'm just sitting in my car for lunch. It was just bright outside. Like, come on, man. Come on down to Florida and find out. Boy, it's just raining out here, man. Like, dang. Well, it's a love-hate relationship, man. It's just getting harder and harder. Dang, I done missed my chance to go back in the building. Oh, Lordy. Oh my gosh. It's getting worse. Dang. Picked the wrong shoes to wear to go be running in the rain today, but come on, man. These are not running in the rain type shoes. Like, come on. Hell. I'm gonna have to make it a run for it though, y'all. So I'm gonna check y'all in a little bit. Oh my God. Mustang. Alright, I'm about to go now for real, cause this shit, oh my, it's getting worse. I'm about to try to just run, man. I gotta go. Ah. I just flipped the camera on just because. Woo! Get another whip of that, man. Y'all know what the progress is, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Woo! Ooh! No, not the red drip. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, damn. See if I can set this up over here. I gotta be honest with y'all. I love recording my car. Yeah, like, I love recording my car. Like, I think she liked being recorded, to be honest. Mm-hmm. She liked the attention. She loved the attention. Low life. Well, not lower yet. I got a little taste of it right here. And woo. Woo. Oh man, that is a sick shot right there, bruh. Man, she just loved being recorded. That's all I gotta say. It ain't me. It is not me. Can't wait to get lowered, bruh. Loving the quad tips. Still have to adjust them a little bit more. A few more brackets to put on them to weld on. Left them with loose, basically. Not loose. They're pretty sturdy. Like you can go for years how it is. But we left some playroom to be able to adjust the angle. I know y'all can tell. But I love the burnt tips. Oh my goodness, I love them burnt tips. But yes, you know, Saturday is Florida. Got the duckies over here. Chickens. She is gonna be looking so mean, bruh. I'm gonna redo the tent on the 2 windows and the back. I wanna go do it down south where I can get a good deal. But I can't wait till she get painted. Coming soon, coming soon. If not in the next 2 weeks. I will be taking you guys along in the process with me. Oh my goodness, just look at it though, like she loves to be recorded. Like she got all the angles. She has all the angles, man. Like you know when you got you a girl, she just got all the angles. She's got all the angles. More mods coming soon. Just want to do a quick video just because she is, whew, damn. I just love recording my car now. Like, it's raining. Well, it's starting to rain. It's Florida, baby. Like, we trying to do something today. We might go to the zoo today, so I might do a video on that at the zoo today. Gonna do something different. But with this type of weather right here, I don't even know if we're gonna make it to the zoo. Once I leave the shop today, I'm gonna get me a haircut. But I'm pretty sure you guys don't give a damn about that. Back to the car. Oh my God. Damn. I love my car, man. Sometimes I can't believe that she is mine. Rain coming down on her. She looking good, getting a little bad. Shit.